Imagine you're enjoying a walk down a Taiwanese street market, and in the midst of all the food, you get this inviting scent of sweet peanut aroma filling the air. You're trailing it just to see what's on the other end. Well, today, we're gonna make it. Irresistible Mochi by Balbei. Let's get to it. For ingredients, we'll use sugar, powdered sugar, sweet rice flour, tapioca flour, and for our toppings, peanuts, black sesame powder, and some red bean paste. Let's roast some peanuts. (325°F) for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're looking for that beautiful roasted golden color. Ooh. Let these cool down to room temperature. Blend the peanuts carefully and on a low speed. Beautiful. Let's spice it up. A 2:1 ratio with peanuts to sugar. This will be used for the topping and the filling. Topping done. For a yummy filling. Optional but incredibly delicious peanut butter. As much as your heart desires. You can touch on a bit of sugar too if you want. Mix it well into a delicious peanut paste. Now for our second filling. Black sesame powder. We'll be using a 1:1 ratio with black sesame and sugar. Give it a nice mix. Add just a bit of water, enough to make a paste. Done. We have our peanut toppings for the outside, our peanut paste, our black sesame paste, which is my favorite, and some red bean paste. This is just straight out of the package. These will be used as our 3 delicious fillings in flavor. Onto our irresistible mochi. 150 grams of sweet rice flour, 30 grams of tapioca flour, and 50 grams of powdered sugar. Give these a nice mix. Then we're gonna add 175 grams of water in increments. Make sure it's mixed well before adding the next portion. Mix for about 5 to 8 minutes. You're looking for this sort of liquid consistency. Add water if needed. When you pick up your whisk and get this beautiful constant flow, it's ready. Transfer our mixture to a nice shallow dish. Cover it up, nice and tightly. Poke a few very small holes on top. Into our steamer tray. It's time for business. On the steamer for 15 to 20 minutes. There we go. And when it's done, you'll see that it's one even consistency with no water residue. You can check this by tearing through the middle. This will equal 8 to 10 pieces. Lay down some saran wrap. Transfer our beautiful mochi. Fold it up loosely but airtight, and let this rest until it's still a bit warm but easy to handle. Be warned, this mochi is now the stickiest substance on the planet. Gloves are highly recommended. Now the finale. Rip off a piece of mochi, shape it into a ball, then use your thumbs and fingers to push downwards and create a nice pocket for our filling of choice. Just like this. I'll be demonstrating with the black sesame paste, but this is the same method for the peanut and red bean. Stuff it inside the pocket, then push down with the spoon. Push the filling down while pinching the mochi upwards with your thumb and index finger as you see here. Continue this until you can fully pinch the top and get a nice seal. A few final pinches, and then a final roll. Same with the peanut butter flavor, and the red bean. To finish it off, splash this around in our peanut toppings as much as you please. Absolutely gorgeous. The perfect mochi finished. Time to indulge. Here we have our Triforce of irresistible mochis in 3 flavors. Let's get it. Ooh. Just look how yummy that texture looks. Absolutely incredible. Oh my gosh, and this is the black sesame flavor. Look at that. The crunchiness in the peanuts from the outside, and then the amazing sticky texture of the mochi just makes for an absolute delight. Wow. Here's our delicious red bean. Look at that. Look at that. Incredible sweet flavor, but not too sweet. Make sure you guys chop that like button, comment, subscribe, and let me know if there's something else you want me to make. Thanks for watching. Simba, where'd you go? I need your emotional support. Sit. Thank you.